enough time for one more attempt here. We need a good attempt. Gotta push up that ball, Mark.
They go to Alapag. 2 seconds, he strokes a long three-point
Yeah!
shot. And what a way to end the second quarter. Nabawi natin yung 3-point play on the other side with a desperation 3-point shot. Ditong si, grabe ito, yung puso ni Mighty Mouse, Jimmy Alapag.
Yes.
Ito ating po pinanonood ang highlights sa first half that actually went for the Chinese. Ito yung power play kanina ni Kelly Williams who was inserted into the lineup to replace a rather ineffective na si Gabe Norwood. Gusto ko yung hustle, Dr. J. Itong si Kelly Williams actually ignited yung rally. Ayun, no? Tamo yung keeping the ball alive, just keeping his hands active sa depensa. Ang laking bagay eh. Pero si Jimmy Alapag, Dr. J, ginawa niya lahat para sa Pilipinas sa first half na yan.
That's right. You know, nangihinayang lang ako. We miss a lot of inside, very close to the basket shots. In these things we cannot afford. And of course, that buzzer beater there by one of the Chinese. Then a string of 3-point shots. 3 of them actually. And the lead ballooned from 3 points to 12 all of a sudden. So far, we haven't recovered from that.
Ito yung tenacity written all over the face of Jimmy Alapag. Anong height nyo? Tinatanong niya, oh. Ako wala pa akong 5'8", kayo mga mahigit mga 6'8", 6'9". Pero yun yung ano, yung sasabi natin, kung si Jimmy Alapag kayang gawin yung ganitong mga plays, kailangan yung ibang players ng Team Pilipinas just ito, some improvement sa ating pong field goal shooting. We've done 10 of 29. Much improved shooting pero still, masama pa rin yan kung ating titignan dahil 34% lang yan. Malaking bagay yung nakuha natin extra points doon sa 3-point area, 6 of 19.
Sa free throws, may advantage tayo ng 6 points, no? 18 against to 12. Marami pa nga tayo namimintis so far. Pero we have out-rebounded them, 28 to 26. The turnovers have also hurt China. They have more 11 to 7. And they committed those 20 fouls. Kaya marami tayong nakukuha na free throw shots.
Magandang takutin, Dr. J. Pressure rin itong China sa lalo pagka yung nasa half court, yung pagtawid ng yung tinatawag natin half court line. Doon sila vulnerable eh. Doon sila natataranta. Lalo ngayon nawala yung kanilang lead guard na si Ming Yan out permanently because of fouls.
Well, ang importante dito that Mick Pinisi plays a good role in the middle right now habang nagpapahinga dito si Asi Taulaba. Because kung sakaling magkaroon ng mga long passes, he has to be able to take care of people trying to get to the basket. Now, of course, yan sila Kelly Williams, sila Kirby, they're gonna roam around. Tumutulong sila sa hustle ng mga pressure. Ito pa maganda, mag-uumpisa tayo ng fourth quarter with the ball in our possession. Tignan natin ito si J.J. Helterbrand. Got need a jump shot and he finally gets one to go for him.
Nakalasap din ang pagkalamang.
Lumamang tayo, 58-57.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, no? Alam nila Coach Sotreyes na dito vulnerable ang China pagka tumatawid ang half-court line.
And even if you don't steal, inuubos mo yung oras nila para makaset sa half-court game nila.
Pagka nire-reduce mo na yung kanilang opportunity and ang foul. First foul given up dito sa fourth quarter. Dodon Ontiveros getting beat off the dribble.
Alam niya yun na mali niya yun. That's also his third personal foul. But more than anything is wala na sila sa rhythm nila no? And you give them a new shot clock, no?
From the corner, wow. Ang sakit.
That's a 3-point shot, I think. Or is it too good? Yeah, see, it is a 3-point shot.
Binigay, kinready
It looked like it was a long shot there from the corner.
J.J. Helterbrand. Ang ganda ng crossover move. Moving the ball around. Excellent ball movement ng Philippines. Kirby Raimundo going left. Rebound. Nakuha ng pinakamaliit na player. At yan, taking the cue from Jimmy Alapag.
Si J.J. Helterbrand dito. Big 4 points in the fourth quarter para kay J.J. Helterbrand.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, believing in what they can do.
So,
almost. Ayun o, sarap takutin itong China.
You got a shooter.
Short and Kelly Williams. Let go ng referee, pero kita mo, 2 beses pinongka. Si Kelly Williams ang 2 defender ng China.
And he threw an elbow also. So tama rin sila.
Sige, okay lang, let go.
Come on, Jay, that is too much dribbling, you know.
Problema ni J.J. Helterbrand, akala niya may bayad ng dribble sa international play.
The more you pass the ball as a point guard, the more the defense has to react.
Yan ang biggest adjustment that he has to make. 60 all tayo.
Oops, that's gonna be a double foul between Kelly Williams at saka itong
Number 11, si
Bowang. Bowang. Nakita ko, medyo nagbibigayan sila doon. Pumuposisyon kasi si Bowang, who's about 2 inches taller than Kelly Williams. Linalabanan siya ni Kelly Williams doon sa spot na yun.
Ang double foul yan, mananatili lang ang bola sa panig ng China because they had possession when that double foul occurred.
Pero yan, charge fouls yan to the players.
Yes. So, nadagdagan ng tig-isang foul ngayon si Bowang at saka si Kelly Williams. 60 all, 8 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Do or die match.
Okay, he threw it out.
Actually, hindi lang do or die para sa atin yan. Pati China, do or die dito.
Yeah, if China loses, they're also out. Because if they win, they still have a chance to make it if they beat Iran tomorrow. Considering if Jordan will beat Iran later on. Mamaya pa yung game na yan.
Pulling up, J.J. Hildebrand, missing this one. Kelly Williams again, Dr. J, keeping that ball alive.
And look at the hustle of Kelly at saka si Kirby. The 2 Ks.
J.J. to Kirby. Kirby curls.
Nice spin by Kirby Raimundo. That's one thing he can really do. Implant that foot, that pivot foot, and spin to the basket.
And he continues to play smart and strong para sa Pilipinas. Kirby Raimundo, 2-point lead Philippines.
Gotta watch those 3-point shots as they get the ball to the corners.
Yes, yun ang kailangan depensahan. Yan, may open. Rotate back. Yan ang kailangan. Challenge.
And that ball is going to go out in favor of the Philippines. So China beginning to fold a little here. Like you said, without their top point guard, iba yung kanilang kilos, yung fluidity nila sa half-court game nila. And the Philippines beginning to pick up its defense right now.
Momentum swings to the side of the Philippines. J.J. Hildebrand pulling up. Wala. Mamaya makikita na natin si Jimmy Alapag.
I'm sure.
Oh, pero bigyan mo ng credit si JJ.
He gave us 4 big points here. No? And those shots could have fallen. He was open. Gotta take it. Somebody's gotta take some shots here.
Ito China, nauubos ang oras sa pasa. This one, lucky bounce. Going left si Bowang.
Asi Taulaba already, by the way, back in for Mick Pinisi. Mabagal lang ang reaction ni Asi doon. Dapat na i-close na yung lane na yun para sa kay Bowang.
Kirby Raimundo pulling up.
That's a hard shot.
Ito ang follow-up. Big one. A big rebound.
Laban-laban na dito. Laban-laban na dito ang Pilipinas, ha? Okay, atin yan. Iba talaga yung point guard na hindi masyado marunong, eh. Hindi sanay, eh.
And Dodon Ontiveros against 2 Chinese dribblers. Actually, lost talaga, Dr. J. Lost in translation sa pagbaba ng bola.
Pati yung mga Hapon na nando sa sa atin rin yata kakampi. Eric Mink there with a smile. He has not seen action. Renren Ritualo not seen action. Danny Siegel no action today. Jimmy Alapag back. Goes to Kirby. Strong move to the basket by Kirby Raimundo.
Grabe nilalaro dito si Kirby Raimundo.
10 points already for Kirby.
And whistle.
May foul siguro yan.
It's Jimmy Dodon Ontiveros rather, Dr. J.
Well, that's 4 personal fouls. That hurts. Pero ang problema dyan, ang maganda dyan, is because of our hustle in the backcourt, our pressing defense, we have caused turnovers, we've been able to steal the ball, we've gotten some layups, medyo nahilo sila sa kanilang set. Mark has got to continue to do what Dondon has been doing.
Ituloy niya lang yan. Ayan, yan. Be active. Ayan, ganyan.
And he has to recover to the shooters. He has to recover.
Doc,